All right, working on a 95 Toyota 4runner. If you get in the code 12, this is gonna be the fix for you. But let me show you how to get those codes. So you're gonna pull this little cover off. It's kind of broken. You're supposed to just flip it over, but that one is already broken. Then you're gonna get a paper clip, and you're gonna put the paper clip right here in this terminal, and this other terminal here. Those two right there. All right. You're gonna go inside, you're gonna cycle the key to the run position, but don't crank the engine, and the check engine light is gonna start flashing. First it's gonna give you the first number, like 1. It's gonna take a little break, and then it's gonna give you the rest of the code. So the codes I was getting on this one was code 12, 1, 2, and the fix for that will be the distributor. The distributor, to take it out before you remove it, first thing you got to do is remove this cover. This cover is going to be sitting like that. Just like this. So the cover is going to be sitting like that. Okay. Wait, not like that. Sorry. Yeah. Like that. Yeah, because this is gonna be okay. So this is gonna be facing up. Then you're gonna have like that. Cylinder 1 is gonna be over here. So when you put the engine on timing, this need to be facing cylinder 1. You get a 90 millimeter. Remove the shield on the bottom here, and you're gonna rotate the engine kind of clockwise. Okay. So you're gonna rotate the engine like this. There's going to be a timing mark here on the top. There's going to be a timing mark right there. It's kind of dirty, you can't really see it. And then the pulley, the crank pulley, is going to have a little notch. Make sure you put it on the first corner of the timing mark right there. Right there. And if your cylinder 1 is facing this little cap right here is facing cylinder 1, that means you're right on the money. So like that. Then all you gotta do is pull it out slowly. It's gonna spin a little bit out. Make sure you put in the same position the new one, and also before you put the new one, make sure you remove this cap off so you can see what you're doing. So you're gonna put the cap, the rotor, a little bit off in the same spot where it came off, and then when you slide it in, it's gonna go back to the same place. If you put it in and it goes a little bit off, pull it back out and move it back a little bit more, because it gotta go straight to cylinder 1 when you clip it all the way down. Okay. Now if we come inside, now we crank the engine. Now everything should be good. There. Engine's running. Alright. I hope this video helped you guys. So remember, code 12. That code means no ground while cranking. It could be many other stuff, but this is that's the main code for the distributor. If it would have been a knock sensor, you would get code 22, I believe. All right, like always. See you in the next one.